sit. Momkin, sit. Okay, Bear. Irene. Toma. Huh? Treats for the dogs, and then we got treats for the sheep and the chicks. I got treats for you guys. These are... Oh, don't poke my phone. Sillies. You guys sillies. You guys silly. Okay, ready? Banana peel, eggshells. I love it. Good girl, Arby. You loved your treat? Yeah? Bear's still eating it over there. Momkin, you love your treat? Ooh, wow. That's funny. Come on. Come on. Sheep. I'll give you a treat, man. Yeah.